to be installing a tonneau cover on this Dodge Ram. This is a 2012 1500, but they're all going to be the same. Older ones, newer ones, the same process. What we're going to be doing is a roll-up one. You can get several different kinds. You can get the Velcro kind or the push-in kind, or there are some tri-fold ones. This is just a normal roll-up type of a cover, and they're fairly easy to install. I'm going to walk you through the steps. So what you get is a tonneau cover itself, a left side rail, and a right side rail. Of course, the channel side of the rail goes to the inside of the truck, and this side is a lock in the back, and again that goes towards the back. You're going to get some center rails. Most of the time they are marked. This is R for the rear, M for the middle, and F for the front. Those are the center rails. Then you get 6 pieces like these with the screws. There's 3 for each side, and that's what holds on to your side rails on the side of the truck bed. Set the rails on. Left side. Rail right on top. And then the tonneau cover itself, that has the front rail that's built into that. Obviously I took off another truck, we're just putting it on this truck. Some of these I noticed they will come with this corner piece onto the tonneau cover that's already attached. Otherwise you'll get these rubber pieces separately, or the foam seals separately, and this corner piece will be separately. Then all you have to do is attach it to the right corners, and there's a Phillips head screw that goes right in there. Once you tighten that up, these corner pieces will be in, and this whole tonneau cover will be ready to install onto the truck. Then set the front rail with the tonneau cover in front of the truck bed. And then the next step we're looking to do is the corner pieces that are on this tonneau cover will attach to the side rails. At the side of this channel, the corner piece will attach right into that corner piece. So you're going to take your bed rail on the side and attach it right into that corner piece. Push it all the way forward, and there's a little thumb screw on here. You want to go ahead and tighten that up all the way so it holds on to the side rail. Now that's nice and tight. We'll go ahead and do that same thing to the other side. So once you have your thumb screws tight up front, you want to go ahead and adjust your bed rails to the inside of the bed. You have these pieces, they attach, that's what hangs onto your side rail. And that notch will attach right in there just like that. The bottom piece with a threaded hole will go in there just like that. You go ahead and thread that screw in there. Just hand tighten it now once you get all 3 of them on each side. So I have 3 clamps on each side. They do slide back and forth, so if you need to move them to reposition them anywhere. I'm just trying to cover up that little hole there, so I'll put it right in front of it. You want to go around the outside, make sure everything's even. Make sure this is even in the front, all the way around. Once you're satisfied, 5mm Allen, and we'll go ahead and tighten up these clamps. Once your clamps are all tight all the way around, we'll go ahead and take these center rails and put these in position. We'll start from the front. If you notice, there are some notches right in that rail, and the end of these rails will clip right into these notches on both sides, just like so. So we got all 3 of the bed rails, or the center rails, in position. Now we're ready to go ahead and put the tonneau cover on the bed. So what we'll do is, there are these clips. That's the left side. Go ahead and unclip the right side. You just squeeze them, and we can go ahead and roll. We can go ahead and unroll the tonneau cover onto the bed. Once you have that straightened out, now the way this one works, there's a little hard to see, but there's a little ridge in here. The soft cover itself has this hard plastic edge that squeezes right into that. We'll go ahead and do that all the way down on both sides. Once you have it clipped in on both sides, the back of the tonneau cover kind of flips and it locks in on both sides. It locks in here into this lock, and same thing on the other side here. What that is there's a little pull cable right in the back of it, and that pulls a little lock on the side here. So to actually lock it in on both ends, you're going to put it right into this metal lock. You just push down on it and it locks in. Now we can go ahead and close the tailgate. Looks like we're all sealed. Looks nice. I really like the way these fit versus the trifolds. These fit nice and tight. They look good. Versus this one here, I have a trifold on this truck. The trifold, obviously, it's got trifolds on it, so it folds, boom, boom, boom. The only thing I don't like about the trifold is here's a section that it folds at. It kind of hangs out like that, so it just doesn't create as a tighter look as the other one does. Like this one here is a much tighter look. There's no gaps or anything like that, but they're easy to do. And this actually is cheaper than the trifold. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.